What are the advantages of home ownership?
About 60% of people in the United States own their home. There are many advantages to home ownership, including homestead, tax benefits, and equity buildup. The owner of a single-family home owns the home as well as the land around the home. But probably the biggest benefit of the home is the interest on the mortgage. All of the mortgage interest on a primary residence can be deducted on the owner's federal tax return. In the first 10 years of the amortized mortgage, about 90% of the monthly principal and interest payment goes to pay interest. This can amount to a large deduction on the owner's income tax and create a lower tax bill. In most cases, property taxes can also be deducted on a tax return. Those are the advantages of home ownership.